Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on your notification bell button before you go. As the title say, it's going to be a speed cleaning video. So I'm also gonna do laundry too. As you can see, I'm separating all the clothes right now. It's the kids' clothes. I just put them on the floor. It don't matter because my room already messy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please keep watching so you guys can see how everything comes out, how the room's gonna look after the cleaning when I'm done cleaning. Please keep watching. Okay guys, this is the final look. Please comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you like this look, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Like and subscribe guys. I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye bye.